Guys, did Sphamandla really come back or someone is dreaming or having isibonakaliso? I think Umkhokha the case is still going to top the ratings charts. I have no doubt that the next Monday's episode is going to have a very high viewing. You know, Sphamandla really created a masterpiece here. He and his team know exactly how to keep us as viewers entertained, and they know exactly how to stimulate interest from us. I mean, look at what they did with Sphamandla's return. I love the fact that we'll all be glued to our screens on Monday's episode to see whether Sphamandla is back or Bosibonakaliso nje from Udifa or someone else. No, Umabus was dreaming. Also guys, you know, I'd making a huge mistake if I don't say anything about this Mabusi character. I really don't know who deserves the credit, the directors of the show or Hope Mbele. The character was well delivered, man. I don't really like seeing people crying or sad, but Hope was so good on this Mabusi character that I wanted to see her scenes more and more. She really gave her best performance on this story, so well done Miss Hope. Anyway, going back to Sphamandla's return. So everybody was starting to accept that Sphamandla is dead, and on the latest episode of Umkhokha, things became more interesting when everyone was in church and Sphamandla just appeared out of nowhere. So Umkhokha viewers are still trying to figure out on whether Spy is really back or what. So to put my 2 cents on this matter, Abona, looking at the way things happened on the last episode, I feel like Sphamandla is really back. I know some people are saying that it was a dream. Unfortunately, I also don't have facts on whether that was happening in real time or someone was dreaming, but my gut tells me that Sphamandla really came back. And the most unfortunate part is that we're gonna have to wait for Monday's episode to see what is going to happen. So ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, please comment on the comment section and let me know, what do you guys think? Did Sphamandla really come back or it was just a dream J? After commenting, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.